Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the main power control board in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new main power control board. The main power control board collects data from various switches and sensors, and then operates all major functions of the refrigerator. It's located on the back side of the fridge behind the cover plate. If one or more of the refrigerator functions are not operating properly, check the main power control board and replace it if needed. To get to the main power control board, we need to remove this cover panel that is held in place by these two Phillips screws. So we're going to take them out, pull it down, and then we're going to pull these two tabs out of the cutouts. So here's the main control board. Don't be discouraged by the amount of the wires and plugs. We're going to take a picture and then use it for the installation of the new control board. But also keep one thing in mind, all the plugs are different. You cannot possibly put the wrong plug into the wrong outlet. So let's unplug all these disconnects. I use normally like counterclockwise and clockwise order. I unplug everything in the counterclockwise order and plug in the clockwise order. So we're going to start with the very bottom one, and we're going to go up counterclockwise. The whole control board is held in place by this one single tab on the top. So we're going to press it up and remove the board. This is the old main power control board next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now, the lower portion of the main power control board goes behind those two little tabs. I'm going to place it in and push in the top edge to lock it under that tab. Now we can connect all the plugs. Remember, I mentioned that my counterclockwise and clockwise rule. So start from the left side, the bottom. Then double check that nothing is left unplugged. No hanging plugs here. So I'm going to put the harness behind these tabs around this one. So out of the way. And now we can put the cover plate on. Insert those two tabs into the cutouts here at the bottom. Lift it up, match the holes, and then we're going to secure the cover using two Phillips screws. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.